Hi, I'm Thor Eberle, an account manager with Core Roofing and Solar. Originally born and raised in McCall, Idaho, I attended Boise State University. Shortly after graduating, I moved to Colorado in October of 2001. In my spare time, I love to hang out with my wife, our bulldog Dibley, and of course our friends and family. Some of my favorite hobbies include traveling, golfing, skiing, and camping. All great reasons to call Colorado home. When you choose Core Roofing and Solar for your roofing projects, I'll be your main point of contact throughout the entire project. Thor Eberle, account manager, Core Roofing and Solar.